Yeah, hi. My name is Michael Romano. I'm Mr. Test Prep. I've been in business now for about 26 years, and I've worked with, throughout the course of my career, quite a few marketing specialists and have been very disappointed. Um, Either got over-delivered, overcharged, and under-delivered, over-promised, and it just made one thing after another with disappointing experiences in that field until I met Nathan. And Nathan and his team have been a godsend. I've been working with them now for I think over 10 years. First started out with some SEO stuff, and he was able to just about double my traffic in maybe 6 months, and have had he's continued to develop other aspects of my business. We redid a website that I was beyond thrilled with. Digital marketing, social media campaigns, just general marketing strategy, and just a great guy to bounce business ideas off of. Turned out have developed a friendship with him. You can tell his work is really his passion, and I could not recommend him. I couldn't give anyone a stronger recommendation than I can give Nathan Garnett. So, if you're lucky enough to get to come across him, um, you'd be well advised to work with him. He's a fantastic guy, and he's great at what he does. Thanks.